Hello fellow dogs, my name is Moriah Sherman and I have a bachelor's in animal science. I'm currently in the MAT program at UGA and I will be graduating this fall, and I'll begin teaching at East Jackson Comprehensive High School in the topic of biology. And my most memorable issue with a gifted student was when I was student teaching. I had a male student in my honors class that was identified as gifted, but he was definitely an underachiever. And I think he was that way because his friends were in that class and he didn't want to be considered uncool. And so I didn't really know how to deal with it at that time, so I'm hoping that this class will help me with that. One thing that is my favorite about engaging with gifted is that I'm really able to challenge them more, and I feel like I can push them to think more critically. My least favorite thing, or I think of it more as a fear, is not being able to give them what they need, especially when they're in an honors class in a regular classroom and not necessarily in a homogeneous groups of gifted learners. So that's a little bit about me.